Hello everyone, I'm Ali and welcome to another lesson. In this lesson, we are going to start another course about Dynamo inside Revit. So, this is the first session and we are going to have an introduction to this course and see what we learn and what is Dynamo and what is its advantage and something like that. First of all, uh, what is Dynamo? Dynamo is a visual programming tool inside Revit. So what's the meaning of visual programming? And what is the difference between visual programming and programming? In visual programming, you shouldn't have any knowledge about coding, so everything connected with wires, nodes, libraries and some categories inside Dynamo. So we shouldn't have any coding knowledge, but if you have knowledge about Revit API or Dynamo or Python or C#, it can help you a lot. Good. So we are going to start this session from zero and start step by step, learn all of the workspace inside Dynamo, what is wires, what is nodes inside Dynamo, which category we have, what is library, what is packages and something like that, and all of the sections of Dynamo we are going to start. So Dynamo installed with Revit. In previous version of Revit, Dynamo is a part of Revit and you shouldn't do anything for install the Dynamo in your Revit. It's enough to go to Manage tab and you have a panel here named Visual Programming, and in this panel you have Dynamo tool and Dynamo player as well. So, and what is the usage of Dynamo? Why we should learn Dynamo inside Revit? Because these days with a lot of tools in Revit, a lot of plugins, you should have a tool beside you to automate tasks for you. So Dynamo can help you a lot in automating tasks, repetitive tasks for you. For example, some tasks can take a lot of hours from you, but with a simple script you can do it in a second. So it can help you a lot. So the first usage of Dynamo is automating tasks. The second usage is doing the task that we cannot do it manually in Revit. Okay, so you can create a simple script for this and Dynamo can do it for you. So for these reasons we should learn Dynamo inside Revit, and this course is not specified for any discipline. For example, we are going to learn Dynamo, not Dynamo for example structural or Dynamo for architectural. If you are a structural engineer, you can use it in your discipline. If you are architecture or MEP engineer, you can use this course to do your task in your discipline. Okay, so after going to Manage tab, and click on Dynamo, you can see a window like this or not. It depends on your Dynamo version. Okay, I am using Revit 2027 at this moment, and Dynamo, I think 4, Dynamo Core 4. And after click the Dynamo, you can see a window like this. In another versions, you can see another panel or dashboard, something like that. But here, if you click on Dynamo, you can launch Dynamo, and after that you can see a window like this. So here is the dashboard of Dynamo, and it can be a little it can have a little difference between versions of Dynamo. So we can start the Dynamo. Let's see what is the dashboard sections and how we can start the project. It's similar to Revit. You have open and new, open another script or create a new script for yourself. The scripts which create with Dynamo have extension .dyn. It is the extension of Dynamo files. So we can open a previous project, create new project, or see our recent Dynamo files. Good. So here we have some tab. Actually, we will see all of the tabs, all of the settings, and all of the things in our tabs. We are just introducing the workspace of Dynamo in this session, and we can start new project. We can start new project by clicking on new. After that, a workspace like this will open for you. This is the main workspace of Dynamo. But we will explain the workspace. We will explain what is nodes, what is wires, and something like that in next session. But in this session, we are going to just show the workspace and the area of Dynamo to you, and that's it. Let's keep the first session, because this session is just introduction to Dynamo. Let's keep it short, and let's jump to next session for start the Dynamo. I hope you enjoy this lesson, and have a good time, and goodbye.